An absolute shocker of an incident that's been reported from the Birbhum district of West Bengal. A 20-year-old was allegedly gang raped, now this by 13 men, and that too on the orders of a tribal court, a punishment for having dared to have had an affair with a man outside of her community.
গ্রামে পড়েছিলাম একটা ভালোবাসা বলি তাকে ওরা গ্রামে রেখে যায় তখন আমাকে গ্রামে নিয়ে যেয়ে গ্রামে মোড়া নিয়ে যেয়ে আমাকে ছেলের হাতে ধরি না ওরা ওলা গেছিলেন মেয়ের সাথে সব গ্রামে ছেলেদের ধরে মরদের হাতে দিয়ে আমাকে ওদের হাতে সব বাজে তুলে দিয়ে যায় তখন আমাকে গ্রামের ছেলেগুলো সবাই রেপ করে যে বাবা হয়
কতজন মিলে বাবার বয়সী লোকও ছিল
বাবা বয়সী ছিল
মোড়লের নাম কি যে বলেছিল
নাম বলে মানটি
সে কে হয় তোমার
আমাদের গ্রাম সম্প্রদায়
Yet another incident at Lapur, Birbhum, where a teenage girl has been brutally raped by almost 20 or 12 people as per the instruction of the Khap Panchayat. Your reaction please?
My reaction is that we should have them arrested and given the corporal punishment.
It is very unfortunate that such an incident, horrendous incident happens at the behest of a Khap Panchayat in West Bengal. The CM should act immediately and take action, strict action against all the people who are the culprits, because such incidents should not take place. Women would not feel safe otherwise in this country.
बड़े अफसोस की बात है कि इस तरह की घटनाएं हो रही हैं और जो भी कानून के मुताबिक बड़ी से बड़ी सजा देना चाहिए उन कल्प्रिट्स को देना चाहिए। और मुझे यकीन है कि वहाँ की मुख्यमंत्री महिला है, वो जरूर इस चीज के ऊपर गौर करेंगी और सीरियसली इस मैटर को देखेंगी। जो इस तरह की घटनाएं जो बराबर होती रहती हैं, न सिर्फ हमारे देश की लड़कियों के साथ बल्कि जो विदेशी भी आते हैं उनके साथ, इससे हमारे भारत की छवि दुनिया में बहुत खराब हो रही है। तो जिस स्टेट में ये मामले हो रहे हैं उन स्टेट के अधिकारियों को, पुलिस को और वहाँ के शासन को ध्यान रखना चाहिए और इसके ऊपर कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई करना चाहिए।
I think this is completely shocking. All those people should be immediately booked. I've learned that some of them have been arrested. The police should immediately arrest all of them. The girl should be protected fully. She should be, medically assisted. She would be in such a state of trauma that also she needs, that care also needs to be given, the post-rape trauma support that she needs. The boy also needs total protection and support. The families need protection and support because there can be a backlash because these are all village elders who raped the girl. But we are like completely shocked that even in Bengal, there can be Khaps, which we thought was a very North Indian, Haryana, Rajasthan, Delhi, Western UP, Punjab phenomena. We're completely shocked that even in Bengal these things exist. Mamata Banerjee must recognize that things are not at all right for women.
देखो, ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है। एक ट्राइबल हो, कोई भी लड़की के साथ, महिला के साथ ऐसा घटना होना बहुत निंदनीय बात है। और इसमें मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि हमारे देश में खास कर वेस्ट बंगाल में इतना सुना नहीं था ये खाप पंचायत के, मगर जो बाकी जो पंजाब हो और हरियाणा हो उधर हमने बहुत सुने थे, दिल्ली में भी सुने थे ये खाप पंचायत के बारे में। और ये खाप पंचायत हो या बिरादरी पंचायत हो, ये महिला की जो ह्यूमन राइट्स की और महिला की सभी अधिकार के खिलाफ है, महिला विरोधी एक सिस्टम है। और मैं ये भी बताना चाहती हूँ हमारी संविधान की बाहर है, संविधान के अनुसार नहीं है। तो ये गैर संविधानिक ये संस्थाओं को इसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करना, उसके ऊपर एक्शन लेना हर सरकार की एक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है। मगर ये सब आखिरी में क्या होती है कि वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स का खेल होती है।
This is absolutely inhuman. and it is completely outrageous and preposterous, to say the least. In a democratic country based upon the rule of law, no vigilantism can be permitted. The West Bengal government must immediately arrest the accused and ensure that they are given the strictest punishment possible.
Well, Shambit is now joining us with the very latest. Shambit, give us a sense of where the case stands right now. What are the sort of detentions we've seen in this case, and how exactly and where exactly are the investigations headed right now?
See, all the 13 persons named in the FIR have been arrested and they have been produced in the court, in Bolpur court. That is what we are getting to know, and very soon the order will be passed. In fact, I am standing here at the spot where the incident had taken place. This is the spot where this kangaroo court was set up. This is a tree where this couple were tied up, and after that there was a punishment of a fine of rupees 25,000 for each for this girl and the boy. And then, according to the allegation, this is the room where this incident had taken place, where the girl was allegedly gang raped. And what is more shocking, that after 48 hours, when we reached here in the morning, then we have found out that the police now cordoned off this area today morning. So it's not very clear that how they will protect this evidence, because there are allegations that there was an attempt to suppress the whole incident, but now the police have swung into action, and now they are trying to protect this place of occurrence. But there are some versions that are coming from the villagers. Some of the women we have talked to in the village, they are claiming that there was no incident of gang rape. It's all fabricated, and 13 persons, they have been falsely implicated. There was a kangaroo court, there was fine on this couple, because this girl from this village was seen roaming with a boy of different community, and that is their grievance, and that's why this kangaroo court was set up. But this is very shocking, and now the government should act and find out a solution how this kind of kangaroo courts can be stopped, because we had heard about these kangaroo courts earlier, but this is a horrific punishment that was pronounced from the kangaroo court here in Birbhum district of West Bengal. Back to you.